ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'm never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, you can count on me 'cause I can count on you. Mami Jess, happy birthday.
Hi Mama Jess, happy birthday. God bless you always. Buwas-buwasan ng pagiging masungit, ha? Stay pretty. Happy birthday ulit.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jess. Wishing you all the best for this year, 2014. And I'm also hoping for more bonding, more prayers, and more fellowship with you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mi. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Mami
Mami
Jess! Wish namin sa'yo ay love life, syempre career, tapos happy family, tapos health.
Happy birthday.
Tapos sana, Mami Jess, mas madami ka pang ma-inspire sa SFC, at sana next time na sumali kami, nani ka pa rin namin.
Okay.
I love you!
Love you.
Okay na pala. Happy birthday, Mama Jess. Ano ba? Wish ko good health. Sana matagpuan mo na si Mr. Right Guy. And then, thank you for being a second mom sa amin. Sa kila Cheska, kila Isa, kay Carla, sa akin. Super cool, mom. Wala ka masabi. Kahit sinasabi nila, mataray ka, suplada. Kung totoo man yung lahat na yon, kasi totoo. Hindi naman. Medyo lang, di ba, Mi? Tsaka yung tingin-tingin mo lang kasi medyo mataray. Kaya pagkakama lang kanilang mataray. Pero for me, for us, no. Hindi ka mataray. Super bait. Hindi nila alam nga na super bait mo, super alaga. Yung as in, super cool na wala ka talagang masasabi. Ayun. Yun, Mi. Kung ano man pinagdadaanan mo dyan, pagdasal mo lang. Ha? Andito lang kami. Nila Cheska, nila Isa, nila Carla. Andito lang kami. Just call us and we'll be there, okay? Happy birthday! I love you!
Mami Jess, happy birthday po. Nagpapasalamat po kami kay God dahil binigay niya po kayo sa amin. Thank you po sa mga advices na binigay niyo po sa amin. Sorry po kung minsan nagiging madrama po kami. Sorry din po kung minsan nagkakagawa po kami ng mga bagay na nasasaktan po kayo. Alam niyo, Mi, love na love ka po namin kahit ang minsan hindi po kami ganun ka-showy sa'yo. Kasi minsan po, Mi, nahihiya po kami. Salamat po sa mga pagkakataon na nagkakasama-sama po tayo. Hindi nyo lang po alam, Mi. Isa po yun sa mga araw na pinakamasaya po sa buhay po namin magkakapatid. Salamat po sa lahat. Sana, Mi, magka-love life ka na para po magkaroon na po kami ng daddy at maging happy family na po tayo. Sana, Mi, na-surprise ka po dito sa ginawa po namin. Sorry po kung ito lang po nakayanan namin, ha? Alam niyo naman po kasi, katapusan na, wala pa pong sahod. Basta, Mi, always remember, andito lang po kami palagi sa'yo. Stay pretty always, lagi dapat pong nakasmile, huwag pong nakakanutang noo. I love you, Mommy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mami Jess!